Hello, welcome back to another episode of Kotlin Bootcamp for Programmers. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to get input from the user. I will teach you two ways to get input from the user. First, using the Java scanner class with the help of Java programming language, and the second one using the Kotlin and the function readline. How to do that? Let's get started with the IntelliJ IDE. Now I want to create a new project, new Java or new file or class in Kotlin. I will name it input user. I will create it as a file. Now, for first thing, I need a main function because the main function is the starting point for this Kotlin programming language and C++, C, and some other language. Now let's get started to get input from the user. First of all, using the scanner object. How? We have to initialize the scanner object val scanner equal to a scanner object. This scanner is from java.util package. As I told earlier in the first episode, Kotlin is interoperable with Java. In the same class, in the same file, we can use Java, we can use Kotlin in the same file. Now I'm using Java class inside the Kotlin. It is the beauty of Kotlin that we can do that. Now I'm using a scanner and system.in. If you are familiar with Java, you know this is a scanner, and I want to get system.in input. It means it will get input from the command line from the system. Now we initialize the scanner object. Now we can get input from the user, like I want to get integer value. I want to get integer value from the user and store it into number. I want to get a number from the user. Now first we can use a scanner, then next int will get an integer value from the user. Now we can print that number. Println your entered number is num. Now if we print this one, or if you run this program, first it will need us to enter some number, like scanner.int will get a number. So right now it is blinking. If we enter 6, so your entered number is 6. Like this we can get, and also we can get a name. Right. For example, I want to print what is your name. We need the name of the user. Then we want to get the name from the user. Var name equal to a scanner with the help of scanner object that we already created, and then dot next line will get the string object we get the string object from the user. Now I want to print that name. Your name is underscore name, $sign name. Now let's do this again. The first hit will get number. After number, what is your name? Second time it will need a integer. The next line it will pop up us to put your name. Now I want to remove this one. I want to run it again because the bot was not running. It need only name. I have to print the name. Tricky solution, then enter. Your name is tricky solution. Now next line will get string value from the user, or we can get long value also. Var long value equal to scanner dot next next line, we have next long, we have next long, we have has next line, and we have next short, we have next big decimal, next big integer. We can get these type of data from the user. Now I want to get next double, anything we want. If we get next double, so in the long value we want to output that value. What is your age? Now the long value will print for us the long value, and now the output will be the age we gave that to user. My age is like 20.5. Now your name, sorry for this, your age is like this value. Now this was using a scanner object, and we have in Kotlin also we have a simple class or simple function that is readLine. I want to get a number val, I want to get name val name equal to readLine. This is very simple in Kotlin. Now I want to print ln what is your name, and it will, this readLine will get the string value. It will return as like this, a string, nullable string. It can be null or it can be any string, and then we can output that string like this, println, and we can output your name is $name. Now let's output this. So what is your name? It need our name John, and your name is John. Now we can get string value like this, but what if we need a integer value? What if we need long value, something else? For those elements, for those type of data, we need something readLine, but we have to convert this readLine to a specific type. For example, if I need a user to print a number, for example, if I need a user to print what is your age, then I need an integer value to call. I need an integer value. To get this integer value from the user, I need to convert the string to integer. How? Var age equal to, how we can convert that? By the help of integer. It is a class dot, and integer dot value of, this is a function, this is a method of integer class. It is a class in Java. By the help of this integer class and the value of it needs a string. Now I can get the string from the user. Now readLine, I can get the string from the user with the help of value of method, and its value of method is from the integer class. Now I can convert it like this to age, and now I can output your like if my age is like greater than 20, and also my age is less than 40. I want to print ln your age is medium, for example, medium, not too old, not too small. Your age is medium. Now I'm prompting a user to display or enter your name. I'm prompting user to enter. If they enter their age, I will get the age from the input, and it will be as a string value, and then this string value will convert using this value of an integer to the integer value, and we will use this integer value and manipulate it to our needs. Now let's see the output. First it needs what is your age. My age is 24. enter. Your age is medium. Now it is within range of 20 to 40. Now you can see your age is medium like this. And also I can use integer, I can use long value and also double value, everything like this. Var like long double, like double number. I can get a double number like this, equal to same thing as integer. Here I can type double here, double dot value of, not the value, we don't have the value. We can do something, read line dot to string to double we have here, but this read line need to be inside this this is a null pointer exception separate. Tell Kotlin this read line is in string, it cannot be null. Or we can use something like this, underscore this colon. If it is read line, if the user will not output anything, so the value will be null string. Let's print this one, it will get double. I don't need this one, and I will print ln double number. There is two scenario. One, the read line, what is your age? Like first I wanna input something 20.5. now I will get the 20.5. so if I don't get that 20.5, if I enter the value, now what you see, there is exception thread, that is number format exceptions, because this read line get the value from the user. If the user will not output, will not provide us the number, so by default this value will be null, this null. By default this value will be null, this null as a string. Now I want to convert this here. What is it is doing? It null will be placed instead of this read line method, and then it will convert this double to this is string value to double, so it cannot convert. Please remember these values, it cannot convert. So you have to take care of this number format exception in yourself. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up. If you don't like the video, please comment below. No one is complete, I will improve alongside with you, and see you soon in the next video. Okay, just keep remember, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon on the next video.